And welcome back to the weather. Today's high was about 33 degrees, which is just about 5 degrees lower than normal temperatures for this time of year. This is due to some northerly winds coming out of Canada, giving us a little more chilly temperatures than we're expected now. Soon. As we go in to look at the current radar, as you can see, it looks pretty clear over the area now. The rain has passed out to the east. If you are a White Sox fan and wondering why the game was canceled, go ahead and look right here in Michigan where Detroit is. That is a lot of rain. That's a big rain pocket right there. Looking at that rain, as we look at the current radar, this is that rain that's been affecting us today, and this is the rain that will be affecting us for the next couple days. As you see, this huge rain belt stretching all the way from the lower point of Louisiana all the way up to southern Wisconsin, and this low pressure system here is expected to sit around the area for quite some time. Again, tonight partly cloudy skies with a low of about 34 degrees, winds pretty calm at 6 miles per hour out of the west-southwest. Tomorrow, partly cloudy skies with a high of 52, a little minor warm-up from what the temperatures have been the last couple days, so get out and enjoy whatever you can. Going on into tomorrow night, a low of about 36, partly cloudy skies again, and some calm winds out of the southwest. As we move on to the surface maps, as you can see, we're sitting in a high-pressure area for tonight. This should continue into tomorrow as well into tomorrow night. The one thing of concern that we will be looking at is this system here, which looks real nasty as it could be coming across sometime late into Sunday, maybe into Monday, where we could be seeing some rain at that time. And welcome back to the weather. As you can see, today we tied the record high that was set in 1976 of about 55 degrees. Beautiful day, obviously, if you've been outside. I hope you did because it was gorgeous. As we go into tonight, we're going to be seeing rain later in the night with a low of about 38 degrees, and it's going to be you're going to see some gusts of wind around 10 to 15 miles per hour as we continue to see the wind that we saw today. Going into tomorrow, we're going to see even more wind, and we're going to be seeing 25 to 35 mile per hour gusts. Along with this, wind is going to continue the rain, again, which could accumulate over an inch, and a high of about 42 degrees, which is still above normal for this time period, but still not the 55 that we saw today. Going into tomorrow night, that rain could be turning into a snowy mix, with temperatures falling to about 25 degrees, and the wind will not let up as we'll continue to see 25 mile per hour winds. Going into tonight, here is that low pressure system again, affecting us now into the rest of the week is going to be this high pressure here. It's a rather strong high pressure system as well. It should be giving us clear skies throughout the week and plenty of sunshine. Again, it's tomorrow that sunshine is expected to continue, as well as clear skies into tomorrow night. As for the 5-day forecast, as you can see here, look at this warming trend we're going to be seeing here. Look at Friday, 67 degrees, and this is only what we're looking for Friday. We could be seeing temperatures in the 70s on Friday, which is absolutely outstanding. And rounding out for the rest of the week, again, Saturday and Sunday, we could be seeing some isolated storms. That is your weather for today. Now back to the news desk. As we look at a tropical storm watch, we're looking at Hurricane Omar here, which is sitting just south of Puerto Rico. At this time, it is supposed to move right through the Virgin Islands as well as Puerto Rico through tonight as into tomorrow morning. The worry for Hurricane Omar is not the excessive wind speeds, because it's only about a Category 1. Should be sitting at about 80 miles per hour, but the excessive rainfall that will affect Puerto Rico due to its high mountain ranges, which could cause flash flooding. As we look at the 5-day outlook, as you can see, we're going to be sitting at about the high 50s, low 60s, which is pretty much average for this time of year. The day that everybody's looking at is about Saturday, where we'll be seeing our homecoming game against Toledo, where we'll be seeing mostly sunny conditions with a high of about 58 degrees. So that means bring your long sleeve Huskies gear. As if for the rest of the weekend, Sunday we'll be looking at a high of about 65 and Monday about 60 degrees, all sunny conditions. That's it for the weather. Now back to the news desk. Going into the 5-day forecast, here's that snow that I mentioned earlier that we could be seeing tomorrow as well into Wednesday. However, as this high pressure system comes in, look at the sunshine that we've been missing. Temperatures are going to stay at or a little below freezing, however, and look at the temperatures at nighttime. 9 degrees Wednesday night. That's some chilly temperatures. And that's it for the weather. Now back to the news desk. Going into the 5-day forecast, sun, sun, and more sun, as well as a general warming trend as we look throughout the rest of the week. And look at Saturday, ladies and gentlemen. As we bring in spring break, it looks like we're going to be seeing a little more springtime temperatures as well. That's it for the weather. Now back to the news desk.